Okay, class, my name is Emma, and today we're going to learn about introduction to computer hardware. So we can begin our class. So what is our computer hardware? Can someone tell us what is our computer hardware? Okay, thank you. From my definition, a computer hardware is a collective term used to describe any of the physical components of the analog or digital computer. The term hardware distinguishes the tangible aspects of computing device from software, which consist of written machine-readable instruction or programs that tell physical components what to do and when to execute the instructions. Okay, so in computer hardware we have internal components and external components. So for internal components, these are the components that are inside the computer, internal. For example, we have the motherboard, the CPU, the hard drive, the heatsink, the graphic, the GPU, and also the network interface. So what are the external hardware components? We have said that they are internal and external. So the external, they are also called peripheral components. They are found outside the computer. So they include the mouse, which you all know, the keyboard, it's also included, and we can see the picture of the keyboard, the USB flash, you can see the picture. Then there are output hardware components. These are the components of the computer that help the computer to output what you have keyed in the computer. So we have monitor, printer, speaker, headphones, earphones, or earbuds. Now here is a small flowchart of how the output and the input devices. So you can see that the keyboard, the mouse, and other output devices are on the left side. Then when you use them to key in the data, then the data goes to the CPU and the memory, and after that the data gets out through the monitor, either through the printer or the speaker or any other output devices. Okay, so we're going to move to another topic, hardware visualization. And when you talk about hardware visualization, you say that it is the abstraction of physical computing resources from the software that uses those resources. Simply put, when software is used to create virtual versions of hardware instead of using physical, tangible hardware components for some computing function. This is also known as hardware virtualization, and sometimes it's referred as a platform or server virtualization. So in cloud computing, hardware virtualization is often associated with the infrastructure as a service, a delivery model that provides hardware resources over high-speed internet. A cloud service provider such as Amazon Web and Microsoft Azure host of the components that are transitionally present in an on-premise data center. Yeah, so thank you guys that we have learned that today. We'll meet next week for another class. Thank you.